Hi guys, Sarah here. I thought I would take a little time to do a little WIP Chat since I have time right now. So I know it's not like I've been totally missing from YouTube, but I haven't been able to film any new videos, and I kind of rushed to get the unboxings of this Spell Queen finished so I could get them up because I've had them for a little while. We did have a little bit of a family emergency. My dad was in the hospital, so he's out now, everything's fine, but I do have to spend a little more time helping out my parents, so pretty much I've been like working and then going over there. So I haven't had a lot of time to do videos or diamond painting, but this weekend everything's kind of like quieted down a bit, so I've been able to get some more stuff done. I did the unboxings for these Spell Queen canvases, and as you can tell, I already have almost half of this one done. This was just last night. I just had videos going, trying to catch up on watching some videos and working on this diamond painting. So I picked the square one first because I have been working on a Diamond Art Club Chuck Pinson painting. If you see on Instagram and that, I've been posting in there, kind of keeping up with that, but that's been round drill. So I've been basically doing a lot of round drill paintings lately, and I haven't done square in a while. So I picked this one with the square drills. Sorry, I keep hitting my light pad. It's super sensitive. And so far, so good. A couple of colors have had kind of like little indents on the top of the drills. This one actually does not. I don't really see any in that one. So far, this is the trash for this amount. I've been hanging on to it. So as you can tell though, most of these have been the wrong colors in with the drills. So there's one here, this blue one has a little extra tab on it. There have been some tiny pieces, just some little pieces. There's two more there with tabs, but like as you can see, they're different colors, so it's not like there's one color that has a lot of trash in it. And I'm trying to find, I don't think I've really been pulling out, well, I guess it would be this. Let me move them all around so there's no mistake which one I'm pointing at. So this lonely little drill over here, and let's hope it's focusing. And I don't think that you can really see, but there is a tiny little indent just on the top, perfectly centered. So it's like when you see the drills that have the poke hole from the bottom, it looks like there's a poke hole on the top, perfectly centered, and it's not super noticeable until you start moving the light around. And I want to say it's probably just this color and one other dark color that I've noticed it, and I've just been putting those drills off to the side. I haven't been pulling them out because I want to make sure that I have enough drills, so I'm not putting them all in the trash, but I just want to make sure that I'm kind of using ones that are not terrible. And other than that, the drills have actually been really good. Everything is fitting nicely together. There is a little bit of gapping sometimes. There's some gap in here, but there's no popping drills. And I would say, like, finished, it looks really good. Let me turn on the light pad so you can see the light shining through for the gapping. So you can see there's some in there. And I have actually been using the multi-placer on some of them. Stuck to my keyboard up there. So I have been using the multi-placer, but then I also have been trying checkerboard, you know, just kind of trying it as I go. Zoom in here for you. I'm gonna work on the eyes here. So what has everyone else been up to? Trying to catch up on some videos just to see what's going on. I did catch up on some filming today, so I am currently right now editing and saving some files, and then I will be uploading them and scheduling them because these were the my recent Diamond Art Club purchases. As they've been coming in, I've just been setting them off to the side because obviously I haven't had time to film. It'll be 2 weeks Thursday from when my dad was in the hospital, so just catching up. So there were 4 paintings that I had for the last 2, not this last Saturday, but the 2 Saturdays before of new releases. So there's 4 paintings that will be uploaded, and again, because I'm crazy and purchasing everything, I don't want to inundate you guys with all these Diamond Art Club videos all at once. So I am going to schedule them. Like I said before, I was going to pick Fridays. I might do 2 a week for now because I don't know what other videos I will be able to film for the rest of the week right now. So maybe I will put up 2 a week so that we can get those ones done, because those are the new releases that I purchased. And then I'm still waiting on 2 pre-orders. One of them was to ship mid-September and I haven't received anything yet. And the other one is not till mid-October. Oh wait, sorry, 3 pre-orders because I ordered Halloween also. I couldn't resist. Did anybody else buy any Halloween images from Diamond Art Club? Scaredy Cat, the 2 black cats with the pumpkin. That was one of my first small diamond paintings that I did 2 years ago. And it is one of my favorite images, but obviously the one I did is just a tiny, I think it's a 30 by 40, but like, I believe I got it from New Frog, which is not New Frog anymore. It's called Says Deals. So it's not great quality or anything, but I just really loved the image. So as soon as I saw that on Diamond Art Club with AB drills, I was like, sold. Mine, have to have it. And then of course the what's his name, Spangler, who does the dragons. There was a dragon painting with 2 dragons and a cauldron, and they're actually brewing hot cocoa. But they have witches' hats on, and it's kind of like a haunted house behind them. So that was adorable. I just could not resist that. Just gotta click a couple buttons here for the next video. Sorry if you hear my computer humming as it's like saving the file. It gets really it's a workout for the laptop. So yeah, as you can see, I think this is working up pretty well. The glue is really, really good. It's definitely a thick, glossy amount of glue that was put down on the canvas, so not like one that you would receive from Fancells or GBFKE or FG Normal. Some of those are good, like they do have good amounts of glue on some of them, but some of them definitely, like when your drills are sliding around, one of those reasons it could be because there is not enough glue and it's just like a light layer. And usually you can tell because you can see the texture of the canvas through the glue. When you have a nice thick glossy layer, you see pure shine and gloss. But for the ones that are not like a full thick layer of glue, you can see the texture of the canvas, and your drills kind of slide around a little. Bit. And I know this image is pretty dark down in here. I did know, like from the thumbnail, you do know that it's gonna be a dark image. So you're gonna have a good section where you may not be able to see what it is, but I think it works out pretty good. I can see the teddy bear, and then there's a wing from the owl, and these are actually leaves. There's more leaves up in the top. There you go, top corner of the image. So far, other than just some drills that seem to have a little bit of pitting on the top, size-wise, the drills are pretty good, uniform in size. There's no little tabs sticking out, just the odd one here and there that I pulled out. There was like 3 of them from last night. Pretty excited too. I'm almost done my Chuck Pinson painting for the Chuck Along. It's the first time that I have participated in anything like that. So it's pretty exciting. It's nice to see everybody else's paintings and how far along they're getting, and the ones that are doing like the same images as you. If they start like on a different side, you can see what it's gonna look like. It's fun. And I've met some new people. Yeah. So once I finish this one, which will probably be tomorrow, I do actually have Thursday off work, so I will be able to do some diamond painting Thursday during the day, so I can get started on the other small painting, which is a round drill. I'm pretty excited about that one, the beach scene. It is an image that I've wanted for a while, but I just had not purchased it because you see it on a lot of other people's videos. It's very common, so it's not something that you guys might be interested in seeing because you see a lot of it. But when I do get diamond paintings sent to me, I do kind of like to choose something that I like, that I'm gonna want to either give to somebody when it's done or put up on my walls. this one is going pretty fast. I kind of tend to start with a block of color. If there's one color that it looks like it's a nice big block, and if I get that color done, then the other colors kind of look like they'd be easier to pick out, then I will start with that one color and then usually work my way out from there. Like, as you can see, I did all that and then work my way out. So the next, I will probably take the A's so that I can do the inside of that and then just work my way down. But because this is a small painting, when I am done those sections, I do tend to kind of work my way around with this one color, trying to get all of that one color done. I won't like take a 30 by 40 and take the whole plastic off and go all over the place, as you can see. I will work in a section. But whatever way you do it, whatever makes you happy, diamond painting is a fun hobby, and it's good to relieve stress, keep you occupied. You know, the colors, everything kind of makes you happy. So it's just, you do how you enjoy to do it. Just gonna spin this around. Up here in the moon. Where are we? I feel like I kind of run out of things to say. I think it's more because I'm just tired. I just really want to go to sleep, but I really want to diamond paint. And I really want to make videos for you guys. It's a hard life. Anybody seeing more F's in there? Oh, I think we're good. Alright, so I can't think of anything else to say, so I will probably just add in some time lapse of me finishing up the eyes and the nose. And that will probably be it for tonight. Alright, I'll be right back.